Ultrasonic additive manufacturing is a combination of traditional CNC milling combined with ultrasonic welding. Ultrasonic welding uses acoustic energy to bond thin layer of foils together. What happens is metals like to stick to other metals, but down here on Earth all of our metals are covered with an oxide. The ultrasonic tool rolls over the foil, and as it does so, it vibrates back and forth on the order of microns. That little bit of vibration scrubs away the oxide and gives us a solid state bond. After welding, the material is warm to the touch, but not hot. This process repeated layer by layer to create a full thickness part. The ultrasonic additive manufacturing can be used both for printing monolithic material or for printing dissimilar materials in the same part. To find out more, visit Fabersonic.com.